Hey there! Welcome back to our channel where we share the best tips and tricks to make your life easier and your wallet happier. Ready to save $300 a year with just a few household hacks? These are simple, effective, and best of all, you probably already have everything you need right at home. You already own these 5 items, no need to shop. Let's dive right in and see how you can make the most out of everyday items. Hack number 1. Clean your microwave in just 2 minutes using a lemon. This is a fantastic way to keep your microwave spotless without using harsh chemicals. First, roll the lemon on the counter to release the juices. This helps to get the most out of the lemon when you heat it up. Slice it up and place the slices in a microwave-safe bowl. Make sure the bowl is microwave-safe to avoid any accidents. Pop it in the microwave for 1 minute. The heat will release the citric acid from the lemon, which is a natural degreaser. The citric acid will dissolve all that nasty grease and grime that builds up over time. It's amazing how effective this simple trick is. After it's done, just wipe it down with a paper towel. Voila! 100% chemical-free clean. Your microwave will look and smell fresh. Okay, hack number 2. Ever struggle with tearing out perfect sheets of aluminum foil? It can be so frustrating when the foil crumples or tears unevenly. Here's the trick. Insert a toilet paper roll into the foil box. This simple addition acts as a makeshift roller. It acts like a roller, letting you pull out smooth sheets every single time. No more crumpled mess. This hack is a game changer for anyone who uses foil regularly. And the best part? It costs you nothing. You're repurposing something you'd otherwise throw away. Moving on to hack number 3, got dull leather shoes? Grab a banana peel. This is a fantastic way to give your shoes a new lease on life. Rub the inside of the peel on your shoes. The natural oils and potassium in the peel work wonders. The potassium in the peel works as a natural polish. Check out that shine. Your shoes will look almost brand new, and it works on bags too. Any leather item can benefit from this natural polish. Hack number 4 is for all you plant lovers. Keeping your plants healthy doesn't have to be expensive. Use your leftover coffee grounds as free plant fertilizer. This is a great way to recycle something you'd normally throw away. Just sprinkle them around your plants. The grounds add valuable nutrients to the soil. The nitrogen boost will give you greener leaves in about a week. You'll notice a significant difference in the health of your plants. Plus, it's a great way to recycle. You're not only helping your plants but also reducing waste. Last but not least, hack number 5. Removing grease from pans and grill grates. Grease can be stubborn and hard to clean. This one's super simple, just grab an ice cube. You won't believe how effective this is. Rub the ice cube over the greasy area. The cold temperature hardens the grease. The grease hardens and you can easily wipe it clean with a spatula. Zero scrubbing needed. This hack saves you time and effort. So, which hack will you try first? Each of these tips is designed to make your life a little easier and save you some money. Let me know in the comments below. I'd love to hear which hack you found the most useful. And don't forget to smash that subscribe button for more weekly money-saving hacks. We're always coming up with new ways to help you save. Hit the bell icon too so you never miss a tip. Thanks for watching. Your support means the world to us. Until next time, happy saving. Keep an eye out for more tips and tricks to make your life easier and more affordable.